Yeah.
Say Greg. Say Julie. Say Julie. Say Stockton. Say Jane. Bean.
Bean.
Say eat. Eat. How do you say eat in sign language?
Eat.
Eat. Say drink. Drink. Say cold. Say ball. Say all done.
Hi, Dad.
Say bath. Say head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Remember that one? No? Don't hit. Oh, ouch.
Then why did you do that?
Give him a kiss
Why
better.
does he do that?
Oh, thank you. No.
Austin.
Hey.
Austin.
Hey. Can you say hot? Hot. Hot. Say cold. Cold? Say all done. Say kiss. Mwah. Hey, no. Can you blow mommy a kiss?
See if he hits him.
Mwah.
Throw away.
Mwah. 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 Say love you. Say it. Say love you. Yeah.